Best Cheap Printers 2021. Cut price printer options for home or office. With so many people now working from home and students preparing to head back to school, picking the best cheap home printer is essential. You may find that now you're not at the office so much, you're in need of a printer, but you don't want to spend a lot of money on one. This is where our Best Cheap Printers buying guide comes in. On this page you'll find honest and straightforward buying advice about buying a budget printer. After all, while you don't want to spend a lot of money on a printer, you won't want to buy a low-cost printer that lets you down with poor quality printouts and slow speeds. That means that buying a budget printer can be tough, as there's a lot of choice out there, and you don't want to end up buying a cheap printer that doesn't do the job well. It'll just mean you've wasted your money. Not only have we listed the very best cheap printers, we've also got a built-in price comparison tool that ensures you get the very best cheap printer deals no matter where you're shopping from. So, we've compiled this list of the best cheap printers and made sure that it manages to offer both excellent print quality while keeping the price as low as possible. It's a tricky balance to strike, but by buying any of the devices on this best cheap laptop deals guide, you can be sure you won't be sacrificing image quality just to get a bargain. One important thing to keep in mind when buying a cheap printer is that some manufacturers lower the price of the printer to entice people to buy, but keep the price of its consumables, such as ink cartridges, high, making their money back that way. This means some apparently cheap printers end up being quite expensive over the course of their lifetimes. We've kept this in mind while compiling this list of the best cheap printers. One other thing to note is that due to more people than ever working from home, some of these printers are out of stock, so check out our constantly updated stock checker below for some great alternatives that you can buy today. Epson Expression Premium XP6100 about this item. This printer is designed for use with Epson cartridges only, not third-party cartridges or ink. Cartridges described as compatible, remanufactured, refilled or refillable may not work properly or at all. See product description for more details. Superior photo quality with 5-color inks. Print stunning photos up to 8 by 10 inches, plus sharp text for eye-catching documents. Includes dedicated photo and DVD trays. Fast 4 by 6 inches photos, in as little as 15 seconds. 1. Convenient features. Auto two-sided printing, built-in USB and memory card slots. 3. Hands-free, voice-activated printing. 2. Print a variety of creative projects and everyday documents, including your to-do and shopping lists. Fast print speeds. 15. 8 ISO ppm, black, and 11. 3 ISO ppm, color. Hassle-free photo preview and printing. 2. 4 inches color LCD. Epson's entry-level all-in-one looks as smart as the rest of its stylishly simple Expression home printers, and it shares almost all of the same features. It can print in color using individual ink cartridges, scan A4 pages at high resolution and photocopy. Wi-Fi is built in for a network connection, or a Wi-Fi direct link with your smartphone. It can print envelopes, glossy photo paper and hold 100 sheets of A4 in its main paper tray. The only feature missing is auto duplex, which is a pity, but with Epson's aggressive discounting, we think this model is well worth the money. To buy this product from Amazon at discount price, please check the link in description. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.